Some people have two live where I go share with you. One with Dan, I diss up Lady P after she go on with what she go on with what yeah. And say she want insect on the app. And she talk some next things. Seeing she diss Lady P on a level people. Me not lie. And then I go share with you Dyema and H3Ll Dawg clash wicked pa Miss Blinger live. H3Ll Dawg pa Miss Blinger live for the first time ever. So we are going to kick it off with Dan and then we go in a Dyema and H3Ll Dawg.
Ask me about Lady P and them. I want a fresh story if you ask me about. Fresh story. That's if you ask me about. Fresh things where I go on. News. Still dashing news. Them pan they still already. I know everybody can keep up on the internet, you know. I know everybody relationship can keep up on the internet, you know. The longest reigning relationship saga with the dep on TikTok. CMR and his wife. That's really longest. Everything else are one blood clot there. And it crash up and fall up and dash. You know why I hear that again, it done. Because for the relationship are not a fake. You understand? That's why the relationship they're fake. People now go keep up their time to talk about everything. You see somebody that talk about Entrepreneurship? You see nobody that talk about them? Who on the internet that talk about them? How much day they get?
They get a couple days and right
2.5.
Get more. Them get more. Maybe a week. Maybe a week them get
yes, do come back and don't get a day blood clot. We not give them a day. They don't get a half a day. They don't recognize. We don't have to pay attention to show them when I watch, man. We don't have to pay attention to show them when I watch. Lady P want some blood clot lick. We don't have to pay attention to show them when I watch on TikTok. Some I show them now have no stamina in them. No stamina. None whatsoever. And here make me know say the biggest show, relationship show, CMR and Chrissy. Every blood clot box you're going up on the internet when that happen. Every group in a box. Who them talk about? CMR, Chrissy. CMR,
True.
Chrissy. You know see no group? When last you see group chat? A one blood clot group that on TikTok and over bling. One group and over bling. No group no on TikTok. Cause them the story they have no substance. They're weak. Lady P now is like a little insect on the app now. This minute you're entrepreneur, next minute you're entrepreneur. We don't understand you know. This minute you don't say you now come beg like some people, next minute you don't want to be like the people that wear beg.
Make up your mind.
This minute you don't have own a product or sell, next minute you not beg, so you don't take action, but you don't want to come with blood clot app. Go and go on Facebook. Clot, why you want to come there and the popularized app and you're not popular? Because they say they take a free that now. You want to live yourself, but you want we see. You want entertain with. So, me never know what say. What's that? They think they're smart enough. When you say you don't have education, go work. Get up off of your pussy and go work. What do you attack? You attract one more man again. And then now all of a sudden, yeah. I want to send her a lionfish one where they are Jamaica when they joke your blood clot, then say.
Why people? Lady P just make the people them a find her out more and more. And she a go try these stunts until people need to fall upon her. You understand? Just like the boy we call Wolf every time. And when the wolf them come for real, him no get nothing. You see me? The people them know Lady P like them and Miggle. Come on the internet, come bust a stunt, get a money and gone back again. Then you soon see him come on the internet with so. Yo, me I tell you, them say fame is a drug, people. And I no lie, them I tell you, See popularity and them something there. Enough people crave that, more than even money itself, Me I tell people want to be popular so till this at the time where people want to be famous no matter what it costs. You understand? And then we do anything to get the fame. Because them feel like say, enough of them feel like say a bag of money come behind the fame. You see me? Boy, Lady P, she strike me as a person where like it go and come. This time, as we dance, say, she come, say she a do her business like she a pre-entrepreneurship. And people are say, yeah man, them love to see that really big her up. Next time, a different thing she come with. Then drama, passa. Boy, I mean, many moods of Lady P. But she just a make it bad for her. For when she really need the help, she not go get it because people not go pay her no attention. You understand? You dance, she coming like a little insect on the app. You see me? And boy, my people, when she dey in the car, I say she want dash with herself and sitting. The woman with up on the live I talk to her and she a respond. You know what I mean? And then she lock off again, then she start respond when she see say what the lady I say is either if it a go benefit her or if she no want she talk them there's something there. You know what I mean? She interject and say something and then gone again and act like says she a unalive her. But I mean people, you know, me never know say as so much money hungry, fame craving people dep on the internet. No sir.
The more I said I was lionfish. When girl not have green card, girl I do good. Girl never come out and say her bills not appear. No. Girl go alright. And when girl get green card now, a problem. Cause you want at your head, you want your head to go by your head can reach. Because you see people that go up and you want to go up to, and that's how you do it.
Then Lady P have green card for you.
You're not popular. Your story was a mad story. Alright. The next thing again. You take 85 people, but you choose to come on TikTok. And yeah, mad at your head. But when people lick some pint, you wake up to explain it.
Yeah, that me attack people.
But you know what, I got Bellevue. But yeah, they say I take you. Me say them people that will do anything for your attention on the social media. Anything them will do for your attention on social media. They always have a story to come with.
They make it bad for the people.
And you will
really
see a mash up furniture because two Ivan is just moving an apartment. Yeah, mash up furniture and show people say you can do better than what they do and you can put in everything fresh and you can this and you can blood clot that. And you will see a crawl from BMW like spider. What the fuck wrong with you? No. 85 people. That's not enough. You should have taken more. So after we didn't know say you're on vacation, so where you get from? So it's school where you go there where you say you got to nurse or whatever you got to I would end up train if it do us. But look at them. Them are overspan live. So people in them box Fi tell them what fi do and what fi go and who fi call and say beg one lion for them. Then come like him man. Then come like him man we drop down in a KFC. And when the woman go for orange and a quiz him about, he say, lady, if me the want orange, me wouldn't go drop down up a market. Me tell you some one orange. A chicken in blood clot one. That's why I go drop down in a KFC. Yeah. I saw them coming like.
Yeah.
A kizzy stunt him a draw. I see him so you could see kizzy face and the woman then dip on the hop. And people stunt them, but you go find you want a blood clot. What you call it? You want a content.
I true, you know, people. Remember the same thing, Kizzy draw. You know what I mean? And that was the end. When me say END of Kizzy. That was the end of Kizzy. See, Kizzy a try, look a come back. Kizzy a do all different type of thing. The other day, me see Kizzy on the app say, people now talk about her and all these things. The people them done with Kizzy. Them done with Kizzy. Them not in her none at all. Remember, I see him stunting come pulling her, man. And she get a beat for that, you know. Wicked, you know. Till she have to come and try to explain everything, you know. But always she try to explain on these things. The people them not take on to her again. And she kind of even did draw away herself from the space. And a different venture in a different things. But it's like people just have her as a liar and a con artist. First of all, with the voice. The voice are the first thing. You know what I mean? Where people kind of have her off. And then when she did up on the app, she used to style enough people. What you do on the app? Ray. Tananya them the pan up a beg. Perry them the pan up a beg. She style a whole heap of people and go on. So from that people never too like her. And now it worse. After she go pull off the stunt there. So this way lady P come pull off. I just time. Them a give her a little time, man. And then you see people even pay attention to her. Remember me telling you. The people them are one thing with the people them, you know. The people them give them time to pull off them stunt and do what them a do, you know. But you see once the people them get fed up of them foolishness where them a pull off and I try to trick people. Watch.
Go find on the one a content. I see everything then do with Kizzy. Kizzy, you can't see Kizzy and not stress Kizzy. Everybody a look out for Kizzy. All of a sudden brand new Kizzy.
Body done.
Kizzy they are eat ice cream. Who gonna pussy wall? You can't trick people.
John was style. Can fool like some of the people them sometime.
Guys, send me that so. She just draw a stun. And make people them in her back.
Remember Bob Marley done telling already, you know, man. You can fool some of the people them sometime, but you can't fool all the people them all the time.
Axel do talking. Go fund me. Kizzy under depression. Whatever. And she forget and she getting depression gone to blood clot. Poor and bossy them, you know. Them poor and bossy.
No star.
You're there by yourself. They might come cuss me, you know, but guess what? I don't answer people. Nobody cuss me, I don't answer them. Cause I tell you already, say, I find one little man to me and he talk good on the internet. And he say, no, I'm saying, no, cuss. And I say, alright then. One night I'm on the phone, I don't know what me that talk, but like me that raise my voice really hard. And he called me, cut me off I live. I say, I don't want to see you in those stuff. I say, no man not cuss me, that's how me, when I express my feelings, that's how I go on. I don't know, them people ain't good, man.
You are darn fine, man.
So I go back to my life. So listen to this now. You see, some people see, I watch some people. Everybody now have the same look. I'm going to repeat this again. Lady P. Everybody now have the same look on TikTok.
True that.
Now watch what your enemy do on TikTok. Fear look come in a two different way. She did have a luck. The baby can't even make she luckier. So even if you go breed, you still not gonna have the luck because a one famous baby depending on. No matter who come after. Them a try. You could have see them every day. Them.
Hey, we don't see a while ago remind me of one thing where I think I did one Twins of Twins, one of them something they were them have, you know. Yeah, I think I did one of the Twins of Twins volume, whatever. With Yellow Man and Beanie Man a clash on it. And Beanie Man a fight for the kingship and Yellow Man a fight for the kingship scene. And Beanie Man say, me a king, and start talk some accomplishment where him do and something. And Yellow Man come on and say, Beanie, you no King Beanie. If you want to be the King Beanie, you have to take out two of your jawbone. Because one of me come out. You have to take out two of your jawbone for be King Beanie. Me say, so this remind me when dance a lady P have to go breed. You know what I mean? For the people them look upon him. And when him breed, them now go look upon him same way.
Them a try, but it not work. Alright. Number one, you go come and say you hide baby face and that not gonna work. Because people them can't bother with the baby them with them face a hide. Force so, them put blood clot face on the baby and put you out say it and make on a ball and tell people say, take it down, I know so you look. People that can't blood clot with. You know, see a different face they show up and blessing. Blessing. Murder! People that can't wait. Russia wait too long. Fish boy baby face to blood clot. If people that put a filter and put a one different head. Call it can't. Me hear Russia talk to his father. He Russia, Daddy, I don't say your granddaughter look here, see that. You know, see I don't say your granddaughter look. People that wicked the blood clot in a man. Yeah. Me now go can't laugh. Please God, don't make them take a TikTok. Please.
Everybody
If you can't hear me, don't make them take a TikTok. So lady P know I have to go get pregnant. I must see breed, she da breed, make she say she have vomit. I breed, she da breed. The white man must see breed him and God. What do you hot at you come with new man, okay, you go buy your TV, buy your this, but left people them business there, I can't matter. So that the white man they gone already? 2 weeks? Hey, mother blood clot, you're I baby, lady people say I have one baby too. So I'm gonna look out for one more baby pan the way. If people then can't afford to go to their money and when they have baby, from the belly, did the people them buy box milk, box juice, cheese, bread, food, Chinese blood clot food or someone never name from a barn. All kind of sitting people them buy and when baby born people can't see baby. No blood clot mad. And with joke and all a haggard and show us the seat here. I eat this, half human, half animal. And that a go on for what a go on. Yeah. The white man they look like saying they really. The one they look like so in there so him sitting there. Him look like he ain't taking pill them so.
No collective.
They don't know a man. I saw yeah Bobby I beat him with spoon and fork. See Bobby.
Lady P, I'm mad somebody, you know.
Eat Bobby, eat.
Always and pick up be a mad people too.
Bobby look like a robot to blood clot. In a restaurant. All of them mind man like a dog. They don't have nothing on a man, them a mind. Blood clot this.
Right, so I'm sitting where people look for papers America, my people
Listen
know
me.
to believe.
These girls, I don't know what happened to them. Me think say girl go come out and show say she get a nice blood clot job. Me think a surprise she can surprise you. I say yes. And this one fi stop now. See which part me there work you now. You no call you so now. Surprise we. Cause we know say you have it. You talk like you have it in you then. You talk like you have ambition. I don't like me when I plan to do nothing. You talk like you have ambition. Everybody I say one thing with Lady P always I give good advice and good and this. Like you can run a house. No household because you're lazy.
True. But people, as me I say, you see them people, you go try them stunt till people even business about them again. Although I keep people entertained still, you know what I mean? People entertained by enough of them sitting here with them pull off on the media space. You know what I mean? But Lady P is a person where, you know what I mean, people are say, you know, say she go on with her foolishness them, but she have a business mind, you know what I mean? She have a mind of a progressive person where always I look for better themselves and them life. You know what I mean? It's either she a pre-education or she a better job. You see me? But when she come with them like a foolishness, people lose her fire. I say, you know what, Lady P ain't no good here, man. You see it? She just come like say her head take her more while and she just come on the internet and just pull off a stunt and gone again. Cause a good while we don't see her on the internet, you know. And she come pull off the stunt and gone again. You see me? So look for she come back again, come pull off a next stunt. So people just have her as a big idol woman. You see, she did try some ear growth oil business. That no work. I think she did try some kind of cream or whatever. That no work. She said she a go school for whatever. You look like that no work either. You know what I mean? But she can't get frustrated still. She have to continue try. You know what I mean? Until something work. You understand me I say? So go watch someone then we go over to World Dawg and Dyema.
You start your look business, you show you're entrepreneur. Now you come, you want tap some blood clot roses. And you see say people them is that a fund you. Why you choose this side? Oh, commit inside and this up. Can carry your back. Alright. I could see what I go on now. I hear people them now. We say at them a cry call for ambulance. Hear them. If I have one little lion, one little tiger, call Rosalie. Rosa beg her somebody curry goat because I look like a hungry, she hungry. Call Rosalie to get look like curry goat. And say, I look like a hungry, she blood clot hungry because she don't like cook neither.
You buy curry, you buy curry, you buy goat.
You don't can come start anything when you
Oh,
want
again.
We done road long time. So you go. But from me sit me go talk about your business. We don't want nothing to worry about. Then if you brush up themselves, man, and go look sensible, man, yeah, you know, might be no, not. Your body attractive and everything. Your nether partner really attractive, but fix up your blood clot self. White man love ugly girl. Go find a good sensible white man, cause that are tears. Not afraid, not fancy for black man, cause you say black man criticize and black man I go say they don't like how you look. But white man now to them no beautiful. Cause a white man say everybody, all the monkey them then say beautiful. That's why they fuck so much monkey all Africa. Yeah. So go find yourself with no white man them wanna say no one. Cause you say you no date black man. Cause black man picky. So go find your white man where you say you like. Go one bar, go one club. Cause when he put on the clothes, he look alright, you know. Although you don't know if he put on one big jars every year. Go tell it you go take a. Say what kind of big jars? Blood clot, the jars big. You know when pitney little, when baby little, you put on, you remember frill jars them, or you put on pan baby, you look a frill. Where the big jars them? Me not call nobody name, you know, not so me call people name, yeah? And the girl said I forgot to take off the jars, it's too big. Them the big jaws that can't attract black man neither. Black man want G-string or no jaws. You can't believe me see girl come out hot. Come out with BMW with sitting panny, flowers.
Boy.
All of a sudden, see a girl there. See him they wanted to call up his name look a while. And me say, me tell you, say, me I call her now, I think a joke. And me say, me the one when he climb on the car, the glass crack. And that me the one for happen. When he climb on the car, glass crack. When he wait for him a carry. You come now. Listen now. Them a go take away your car. And them a go... Sell the blood clot car. And go pay your bills. And go buy
Same
one of
way.
bicycle, go rent one of bicycle them they have on the roadside. You drop it kind. You go find one lucky one. Or two. You now go find 3 or 4 and blood clot 5. So stay there. Every minute you no come. This, that.
Boy, the way I see it, people, Lady P is just a person where it look like say her head take her some other time. You know what I mean? It look like say she frustrated, she in a foreign and she not really has see too much progress a go on for her. And she want to reach on a level where it kind of attainable, but it hard for her. You know what I mean? But on a level with people, nothing beats time. You know what I mean? If you feel dead so in a life, you go dead. Just put in the work. And if you feel reach where you feel reach, you go reach there. Don't make them type of things frustrate you. You see, I get up in an age and accomplish certain goal. Because you see some people, especially people who have look at education where them go to school and them do the work and them feel like say boy yes me put in the work so me fi achieve certain things. Them put a limit on when them fi achieve this and that, like them a say boy when me reach in my 30s or whatever, me fi have this and me have that. So yes, when them not have them type of things, when them reach certain age, it a go frustrate them. Them a go feel like say them a failure and them way. So it come like say Lady P one of that person there where she feel like say her life could have reached to a certain level at certain point, but you know what I mean, it's like she's stagnant. So it kind of frustrate her and drive her to do them foolishness because she seems like a person who kind of have them head still, Where if them put their mind to certain things, then we accomplish it. But it look like so she get distracted with this social media fame, you know what I mean? And she see other people that live them life certain way and she judge for her life for other people life. You know what I mean? So me tell you man, them say comparison is the stealer of all joy. You understand me? I say so you can't compare yourself to other people. Some people kinda lucky and them know what them a do in a for them field. But you in a different field, so you can't like compete with a person in a for them field. You know what I mean? You have to go in your own lane and do your own thing and thankful for whatever you accomplish. Don't judge your life off another person's life and accomplishment. Things take time. You see me? So we are gonna go over to Real Dawg, my people, and Dyema. Them buck up and bling alive. And boy, I tell you my people. So make we kick it off, So Dyema go up on the live, then Real Dawg I go enter.
You can't please people. I mean, the fucking problem. Me is the problem. I mean, know a long time to me is the problem. But when did want them tell me I'm a face, but them don't do it. They continue shade me.
My friend tell me, say, Blinger, you know see what go on. Dyema put Willie in the spotlight and them don't like.
Exactly. That's the point. Exactly.
You know, me is the problem long time.
Exactly. That's what we all saying.
Waiting on them to tell me in my face.
But they will never do that, Dyema. They will never do that.
You mama say me click live, which when me I say as everybody I go like a lad, me a lad. Me not lad nobody. Me a big woman. It's just a nickname everybody call him. I mean everybody I call him. Me just get addicted to it and stop say here. You see me blinger?
I understand.
But
No.
you come from far.
Alright, so Dyema, all I know.
This is some wally for people like blinger. This is some wally for pussy attack of them up, but sit down on my man. Walk to where Willie when the blood clot shoot much things to me. Blinger most of the time when Willie shoot, most of my money when me put spend a Willie blood clot when the money go back to a pussy clot him.
Me no look on it as mine, man. I mean, I'm going to end up my mouth and talk. I'm telling people them all the money.
Talk. And if you want mine 100 money up to blood clot.
Exactly. Exactly. That's your money.
And anything when I want blood clot do with it up to me. Cause some who they talk no better than blood clot me. Cause at the end of the day, if we left Willie on him face, dog would have mean blood clot supper. Cause everybody did. Let me tell you something. True they can't run on me blood clot head that type problem. Nobody can. Let me tell you miss. And true they can't run on me head that program me make. You see everybody a go on so. Cause me no tech program. Cause let me tell you something, Blake. You see the argument we bust out. But Willie said one of my sister. And me tell World Dawg that. And nobody didn't know that. It's me tell him that. And me thought that. As you say, blinger, people can't take things and cause people then talk. And me come and contact say, Willie don't tell me right name. And nobody dig up no files. And me thought that. And me tell him that. And I like say hearing here. It's me tell him. Because he never know nothing where they go on. It's me tell him. So all of me get some people that talk, me just tired of this, you know. Me come and tell me, you know. It look like nobody now go rest and nobody now go done, you know. And what the lawyer say, when Willie when they talk about the bed, it wasn't in that bad way. He might talk to them and the girl, because then claim to say, in this and in that to the girl and whatever. Nobody know the backstory, nobody know the situation.
Exactly, because he never said it in a bad way.
The reason why me don't want to go into the girl argument, me don't want to call the people them name, because me don't want nobody go say, we are bullying them behind them. That's why me not go wrong in that. You get me, blinger?
But what happened to, somebody sending something?
Situation. But Dyema, explain butter and the $100. Look how low. That's low.
Very.
So, on a level, people, you know what I mean? Everybody knows a World Dawg a whole fridge. You see me? When him talk some things where him even know say, yo, don't talk this. You see me? But in a World Dawg defense in a way still, him never did attack it for put down Dyema. Him talk it say, boy, Willie make Dyema send how much money to him woman and tell him say him sister. But him talk it in a way for show how messed up Willie is. You know what I mean? Even though Dyema stand up for Willie, him a show say Willie try for, you know what I mean, dig some food off of Dyema. Him style Dyema. You understand? But him could have hold it same way. Him never did have to tell it. You understand? That's the problem with him, you know. Him talk things when him for hold it down. You understand me? So upon a level Dyema have to do what she have to do, because it's when you love somebody, love is something where you can't control. You know what I mean? Love make you do some stupid things not for the time. You understand? So I love make Dyema do what she do right now. And you know some woman feel like say the window opportunity certain way, like if you get a good man, as them get older, the window take time to close. So you see if a woman up in her age certain way and she hold on upon a man where she feel like say, oh, that man is one good man, she not let him go, you know. She a hold on upon him straight, because she knows that she a get up in her age. And you know what I mean, man a go look upon the younger girl them more than all them look upon the older woman them. You see me? So no whole heap of option I did it. So them find a man, them hold on upon that man. You see it?
Lower. Listen now, we need no blinger. We not have to explain about no 100. Let me tell you something I don't understand about butter. I'm telling you something about butter. Want to know? You see butter? Butter is just follower. Butter I want good youth, you know. Me I got tell you blinger cause some mistake, you know. Butter look enough work and couple little thing give me, you know. And me a butter did there, you know. And me a butter do something and I do so little video and I go viral and them thing there, you know. Want to feel if you understand, you know. Butter is just a yes man, you know. So you see by the talk about the 100, me never go in the argument about butter, you know. Cause butter I want good youth, you know. Butter just feel like we talk about the 100, just because butter does. Everybody else I get a blood clot out and butter one piece. Cause butter
yeah, you look like a that.
That don't make no sense. So me even want to talk on that. Come me tell you me stay blinger. You say nobody do nothing for me. All if I want simple little thing, me take one good and cover all bad. So me need would talk about butter. Cause it don't make no sense. So me need to talk about that. Butter.
Alright, people, I let me hear everybody say butter is just a follower. You know what I mean? Where your Dyema say him see a viral a go on and him want a piece of the viral. You know what I mean? That's why him come and talk certain things. Because the people them did I say when him go up on a little rant, you know. You know what I mean? Say boy, him a mimic a whole a real dog style and them something there. So him see things a go on and him want peace side. So him just take peace side. You understand me I say? But on a level still, them fi kinda them fi try to keep this on the down, you know what I mean? And just make bygones with bygones and try to just come together for the sake of Willie. You know what I mean? Because the segregation and the argument and them something there, it don't really make no sense. I point finger all wrong from all right. You know what I mean? The person we need everybody the most right now are Willie. You understand? Him in a space where him dead at a lower point. So even though him say what him say, me feel like say the dog them fi kind of rally around him and see what them can do for him. You know what I mean? But if him forward back a road, whenever him forward back a road or anything, you can cut him off. But right now, help him out. You know what I mean? Just remember the good things them what him do. And nobody dwell upon the bad things them and help him out for that reason. You understand? So, see World Dawg, you can watch World Dawg and what you say, you know, you hear his saga, you know.
Miss Blingers, other morning I wake up, I heard Dyema said something. How can you be a faithful girlfriend and say something like this? Listen what she said for your life, you know, Miss Blingers. She sent $500 and I give them $1,000 and they deduct back the 5 bills. Dyema didn't send the 5 bills to me. Dyema didn't send the 5 bills to me. So me take up my $1,000 and send go give Willie freely. Oh, you did it. Oh, you did $1,000 out of my money.
So let me ask you one question, world, and I cut me go give me go me cutting at that now. So if me send the 5 bills, go give Shabby, World Dawg. And Shabby sends it to Chris Vice sends it to you.
Chris Vice sent to his sour block. Hey.
Yes, well done. She explained that I didn't look like a $500 you put.
Listen, Chris Vice said he's selling money to that Willie uncle.
When? Chris Vice not take you. Oh, wait. Oh, me just hear that World Dawg. Oh, when? Shall we get the $500?
Oh, you have to come Dyema style. I want style.
Go on the World Dawg. Go on the World Dawg. Can force me at you this party?
Dyema style. Go like you want style me thing, brother. You come over here style me thing, dog. Yeah, Pearl. Chris Vibe. Miss Blingers. Chris Vibe.
Come for me at airport now.
Miss Blingers. Listen. Miss Blingers, listen. Chris Vibes. The 5 bills that Dyema said to you, did you send it to me or did you send it to Uncle Willie uncle?
Your uncle.
Excuse me?
Your uncle.
Alright, let me don't bumbo clap. Bring me down over here for 5 bills, dog. Don't start going like you know want style me thing, brother. Don't go like you want style me thing, Dyema. You style me thing over 5 bills, dog.
Chris Vibe tell lie dead.
World Dawg, listen. Chris Vibe tell Dyema different story.
Yo, that Miss Blingers, let me show you something, Miss Blingers. You know what start all of this? Miss Blingers and Dyema not telling you the truth. And
What
Dyema
truth, World Dawg, me not tell? What truth? Tell me what me not tell the truth. What me say? Tell me World Dawg, me say me wrong. Which truth me not tell? Tell me.
Blingers, Willie take a girl from where in New York, Connecticut, right? The girl come over here and take an apartment in her name to give Willie. They both live together happy. Here come Dyema in the picture.
Hold on.
Is
This
this girl
friend
the
look
show? You
familiar?
don't have to show her again. Take her off ice cream.
Okay.
Listen what me have to tell you. Listen, don't beat me too much. The girl starts to find out that first. Willie started to tell the girl, say, you know, see your era and film wife, they move. It was just that with she and Dyema. Willie telling the girl that she and Dyema is sister, right? Hold on. Listen what me I try to tell you. Dyema and Willie Dyema plan to come up now. Dyema plan to go at Airbnb. Willie want Dyema to go at the house. So Willie trying to take this girl out the house that she take out in her name to bring up Dyema. Dyema never agree with it. That's why I never diss Dyema until this day. Because Dyema said she will work our money and get our Airbnb for herself. That's why you don't hear me beat Dyema all now. But Dyema keep on beating me like I am such a fucked up person to Willie. Listen what me I say now. Dyema said to Willie is that, Willie, I don't want to go to the house because me want to work my money and get me Airbnb where me not have to look over my shoulder. Me not wrong Dyema. Dyema is so independent. You understand? But Willie is so insist. So the girl come over there. Oh, Dyema never talk, say. The girl go from Butter Life and say a long time Willie a chat me with her. Say me envy him. Willie want me to envy her with. How much car me give you? Dyema, you say you give Willie money for car. Oh.
People, you see, Dyema and World Dawg, how far them a come from. I mean, I like to see what go on right now over, man. You see me I say? Me not like to see what go on because Dyema and World Dawg good from a longer time. But I feel that say Dyema come in at the picture. You see me I say? Willie not like World Dawg for a long time. Like Willie go in a Dyema head and tell Dyema certain things when him did free. You know what I mean? And when Willie get locked up, you know, and Dyema come over them start pillow talk. You understand? About World Dawg and the ex-gang and everything. So Dyema start full up Willie head of things because maybe she no see certain things that go on. How she feel like say if it go on, she no really see the whole of the ex-gang them a link her and you know what I mean, give her support and try to give her a little thing here and there and them something there. So maybe she a tell Willie all of them something there. So that caused the big fallout. You know what I mean? And upon a level, me people, me feel like say Dyema kinda stir the pot away. Feel like say Dyema stir the pot and cause all of this to happen. Big man thing. Maybe Willie and World Dawg and some of the ex-gang members them have them differences, but them keep it on the low. And Dyema should have just hold certain things because Willie they at a point right now where him need every single person. She alone can't do it. Plus she live at Jamaica. You know what I mean? So I feel like say Dyema up in her feelings. You know what I mean? Tell Willie certain things. That's why Willie feel comfortable for come on her life and put it on speaker and this World Dawg. So I can watch some more.
Look, say, oh, my kids, I walk to school. I mean, that, Miss Blingers, you know why I don't with Willie like that no more? I give Willie shit. I give Willie money to take out a BMW and my son, I take bus to school. And when Mr. Willie take a Uber come over here, I said to Willie, where is the fucking car? You know what Willie said to me? Miss Blingers, I don't give a fuck about that car, the car. Oh, if it just take up how much thousand give me, have cash up proof. When me cash up you the money, bro, and look for me, my son I take bus to school. And he's a big old blood clot, workless man, bro. And look how them a beat me. They not say how much help Willie, bro. How much help Willie. If it was me alone, bro, if it was me alone, Willie come a bumbo clot road already. Can me tell them if you give me 2 weeks with Willie? Willie would have the immigration, and then Willie would get so much fucking charge. But Willie stuff it in a Dyema head and don't know say he might lead Dyema to fucking stray. That's why I don't cuss Dyema as yet. Because Dyema gonna suck that blood clot jackfruit one day and she say sour our bumbo clot self.
Jackfruit done sour already long time. Cause Willie don't do all for wicked things.
Miss Blingers, Dyema didn't tell you that and me and
Hold
Dyema
on,
the
World Dawg, hold on, Uncle.
Look like me a pussy dog.
Uncle,
World
World Dawg, hold on, Uncle. Yeah, hear me? You're there on live. Chris Vibes say, if you see 500, let me tell us, I'm saying come a foreign. Chris Vibes tell World Dawg say he sell you the $500. Did Chris Vibes sell $500?
Nobody you want me to deal with.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Uncle. You see, everybody I tell lie now. Cause World Dog, Chris Vibes tell me no. Remember Uncle me tell us that Chris Vibes tell me say no. Him sell World Dog the 500 where Chavi send coming no. No Chris Vibes up on the phone a while ago and tell World Dog say him sell you $500. All me alone the man never deal with. The man never deal with nobody, him not fi tell no lie.
Diema, he moved for the 500 apart. Me alone could have paid Willie.
No, World Dog. Let me tell you something. I might throw a bad match. You love clear up things, so me I clear up things too.
You know
Cause Chris Vibes just content. A big line that Chris Vibes tell us, so you clear up the part so me I...
So what is you know, my people? So who get the 5 bills there? You look like say them take you and me. You see what I say? You look like them take you and eat you and never know say boy, it did go come back to this. Where them have to, you know what I mean, talk where the money they go. You see it? So who I tell the lie, you know? Them say Vibes get the money, so him supposed to know what or who get that money there. So him for be blame. So people you look like say the ex-gang them have Willie off in a way them have him off. You see it? So certain thing with them for deal with urgent fame, them drag them foot on it. You understand? So it look like say Dyema come a foreign, you know, and see the player. You understand? And Willie maybe been a tell her certain things. So she start have them off, you know, and start tell Willie. And Willie being behind bars and can't confront them. Him just diss them up. You know what I mean? Look like see a planting for him call upon the live and diss them up. If make the public hear say boy them nah deal with him good. Jaja.
That you know why me company live? You know why me company live? I am Chevy. When me hear Dyema say the gun is mine, cause them a talk about shoes, me playing on straight, you know. Me playing on bumbuckler straight, you know, cause me not make nobody hold me down in a foreign. Not for stinking bum.
Then the one where they call the fuck, no work no fear. So I lie me I tell you so. I talk say clean and alright and no problem. You just wanna guess something bad.
I go down for your stinking bumbuckler workless man. Me not go down for you, you can't tell Willie that.
But me no business about that, but I fear that the one you know lie me tell for that. And me talk say clean and everything and nothing wrong with you. I use the papers them buy. What you mean? You go and me say something wrong.
Miss Blingers.
Yeah.
What's that to come on internet and talk? You a big woman now.
And you first say it, World Dog. It's you first say it. I reply to it. Bigger who first? No reply to it. It's you first say it, World Dog, and me first say it. I reply to it.
I know Dyema set Willie in a foreign. I want a woman when they call Fatelin. Come and talk now.
Oh, me fi set Willie in a foreign, me know Willie 3 months. Everybody know that already. So how me go set Willie a foreign?
You put down me in a ground and you just know Willie 3
straight on the
months.
argument. Oh, me go blood clot set Willie in a foreign when everybody knows say me just know him one day. Yeah, and you that straight on the
I don't want to bring me down.
You talk about beat. Where you go beat me say? You don't know nothing about me and me don't know nothing about you. Where you go beat me say?
Dyema, people cuss and people mock me.
Alright, why the ex-gang them no like Dyema? Them did a shade her, she said. Why?
Oh, World Dog know that. Oh,
Why World Dog? Anybody that feel bad?
World Dog big know so they don't like me, brother. So World Dog have to play that. And World Dog alone me don't know the people.
Dyema, Miss Blingers, did you know that Dyema was one of the biggest to cause this to be where it be right now? Let me show you.
How is that? Dyema make me hear him. Him say, yeah, the reason. Make me hear.
Yeah, I make you hear him. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Miss Blingers, enough time I hear you over here start talking and say Meeka work for me. Did you know that Meeka shoot for Cosmo and Meeka shoot for me? I'm just saying something to you right now. Meeka shoot for Cos more than Meeka shoot for me. Let me repeat myself. Meeka shoot for Cos that more than Meeka shoot for me. So Meeka, Dyema and Cos play a game now, and Dyema have nuggets and Cos have nuggets. Just like if me and you play a match now. See? Why would I shoot for Dyema who not shoot for me? So Meeka and Dyema play a match now, and Dyema go ahead and shoot against Dyema. Meeka go ahead and shoot against Dyema. So Dyema feel away and start cuss. So not more than she and Willie start sit down and 2-2 together and say nobody not like her. Who not like you, Dyema? Who
Word
don't?
dog, they don't like me. Me don't know about you. Me definitely word dog before even this. Stop it nice. Can't have the panel live. A long time me and Meeka the kick off. Or before me even Willie. Word dog, me and Meeka the kick off my life. Meeka the try with this have me and I have to go on like the box and go say me can't go find all this cream record real dog. Word dog. So tap in eyes and talk for yourself. If you don't like me, you tell me. If you don't like me, I will talk for yourself.
Oh, Miss Blingers. You know, sir, Miss Blingers, I don't want you to be a hypocrite.
Me not been a hypocrite. Talk to me.
Before I come on the show, they was slaughtering me. Is that me wrong or me correct?
Nobody ever slaughter you a while
What
ago.
do you mean, slaughter?
No, because them a bring me down in a comment and them a talk like I was.
People bring me down. Word dog. Who gets
Okay.
slaughtered is more than me. Word dog, me get the
Okay.
biggest beating of this more than you. And me get every beating. Me never nobody that slaughter you. Them ask me one question and me explain. Me come up in the box and me I say this not done.
People, you see, some of the ex-gang people, them not welcoming a new people most of the time, you know. You see me, I say, enough of the time, them not really welcoming a new people because them see what new people forward and drag down who them fi drag down. And Meeka, one of the person, them like, one of the defensive person, them in a ex-gang. You see me, we are going to try kind of block a person if she not really like them spirit certain way. But, a facts, Dyema and Meeka been have them little differences before she and Willie start talk. You see me? So I know because she and Willie attack, why she and Meeka no deal. You know what I mean? Them been have them differences. So like a real dog say, look like see her from the whole cause thing where Dyema this Meeka, because even Butter and Dyema did catch up to people before Dyema and Willie start dealing. Yes, even Butter this Dyema because I think Dyema this Butter girlfriend when he named Tiffy. You see me? So from them time there, Meeka and Butter kick off with Dyema. You know what I mean? Because I think Butter did a different Meeka and then start different him girl when he named Tiffy. So me frightened when me see Butter and Dyema so tick. Although a man no fi carry feelings still. You know what I mean? So it look like from cause days them kick off and then Dyema and Willie start talk. You see me I say? But a pillow talking make this thing reach which part it reach. Because Willie them say allegedly jealous of Real Dawg. You know what I mean? And Real Dawg say anybody come around him, Willie try to intimidate them or tell him say, you know, say, me spirit not take that person. Yeah. The man say, Real Dawg say one of the time Butter even did afraid me in pan a live. I say, Butter no want come around him because of Willie. Willie a threaten Butter. And Butter avoid coming around Real Dawg because of Willie. You see what I say? So even one of the time Willie and Butter did kick off wicked pan live, people. Yeah man, couple months ago man. The two of them kick off, brethren. You see me? And even Real Dawg come on the live and say Willie and Butter wanna fi live good. You see me I say, or avoid each other. Yeah man, Real Dawg come on the live and say it man. You understand? So it come like say Willie been a little problem for a longer time and the people them in a ex-gang kinda see it and them talk about it. So Willie know say them little bit and kinda have him off a way. You know what I mean? If me as a person I do things for you upon the regular and it look like say appreciate it, me not go and do things for you. Cause Real Dawg say him do certain things for Willie, him help Willie to take out a car and Willie the next day, him ask him where the car is, him say him no business about the car. Remember the man money, So him go around and like him a tell people, Real Dawg say him go around and him a tell people say, him Real Dawg rich, so maybe him feel obligated to where Real Dawg have. And him did bex how Real Dawg give Butter the X6 and help him buy a car. But maybe the reason why Real Dawg give Butter that X6 over him is because Butter have papers for foreign and Willie don't have no papers. Maybe that's the reason. So make watch some more.
Me. Word dog, me get the
Okay.
biggest beating of this more than you. And me get every beating, me never nobody that slaughter you. Them ask me one question and me explain, me come up in the box and me I say this not done. And so come reach in a blinger box.
Let me tell you what is the problem, World Dog.
Hold on, you run a blingers.
Yeah.
Niece one, go suck out your mother. Me not beg no blood clot. Sympathy for you, go suck out your mother deeply.
Nobody in the slaughter, nobody. Blinger, you ask me a question and me
Yes.
Blinger.
Yes.
Blinger, when you ask the question, what me say? Me say me don't want go into them business, cause things I talk long before me coming at it. So all you know say, man, never shade me, but just hold me composure, cause nobody never disrespect me.
All right, Dyema, me have him here now. Me want to ask him something. World Dog, you go hard per Willie in the argument where you make the other day when time you go in him immigration status and in personal life. What caused you to go so hard?
It's blingers. It's blingers.
Yes.
Look at this. I am not a liar. And everything I have proved. Okay? Look at this, what I just received.
But cut your mama big pussy.
I tell you the $500 too. Look at the number. Look at everything. The date and the...
World Dog, listen, World Dog, listen, World Dog, no, the $500, that the $500 where Chris Vice sent to blood clot him, and the $1,000 where you send, come give me. Chris Vice give me PayPal card to draw the money to take out the $1,000. Me couldn't get a $500, me couldn't get half of it. And me tell you, if you sell it uncle the next $500, Chris Vice try to thief me $100 blood clot dollar. Remember World Dog, I'm calling it cost. And you cut Chris Vice and say, Chris Vice, you can't try to rob them when they pull money every day. Remember. Member! I saw Chris Vice with a really wicked member, you know. Member say, Blinger, you see that what Chris Vice send go give World Dog. Member say, World Dog give me $1,000, you know. Chris Vice give me PayPal card, no. If take out $500, he couldn't come out $500 for the PayPal card. When Chris Vice tell me the other rest of money, he's selling uncle the other rest of $500. Chris Vice will take me $100 and me start cause Chris Vice say, Chris Vice, PayPal and text me money to blood clot, wicked and thief. I try to style me. World Dog turn and cuss Chris Vice. Chris Vice can't try to thief and I pull money every day. So what I'm gonna say that's a liar story that Chris Vice are wicked.
Yeah, you have to fix that part of the World Dog, but answer what
I saw you follow. Because I can't give you nothing for sure, nothing like say. I know, joke business car. World Dog, you buy match and me buy match. I know none of that two in a blood clot. Let me talk facts.
But Dyema, your World Dog not supposed to in them a batty only. I know me
That's
trying to
true,
treat you
No,
know.
but then the $500 when they show, when they show, and when member say no, member say World Dog take Chris Vice say no, for request $1,000 for the paper, you know. So you know you have to sell with it. And if Chris Vice give me card in PayPal card, if you go draw fucking $500 by the couldn't give me all of it, and he give the uncle the rest of $500. That a World Dog $1,000 World Dog give. Chris Vice when I try to take all 100 blood clot dollar for me, and me get mad and start cause a World Dog even call him and say, all you have to try is thief Dyema, Chris Vice, we pull money every day. So
All
fix
right,
that.
Chris Vibe's a fuck up right there, so but we'll fix that later. World Dog, oh you got so hard pan Willie and your sister Willie at his lowest. What caused you to go so hard pan him the other day? When you talk about him immigration status and him personal business, that's my only question from the other day.
So it look like a vibes are cause a problem with people. Him a dig off money off of what the people them a send. Through him the money them a go through. It look like him a dig off little. Yes, so me I say, and I tell pure lie. And me check say him and Willie did the closest out of the ex-gang. You know what I mean? Because remember him Dyema go around when Dyema go foreign, you know. Cause of him that the shop on him and Dyema did the right through. Him carry out Dyema go eat food and all these things. You see me? So behind Dyema back the man I do some idiot thing. Cause you hear him just talk on the live, see the uncle him give the money and the uncle say him no get no money, him no correspond with him. And Dyema him correspond with. Boy, me I tell you people. So, as me say, it look like some internal thing did go on in a ex-gang. I know that Willie got jail is like the people them start turn them back on him on a level. But them not completely, they turn them back on him, but them just never did a push for do certain things for him. You know what I mean? And Dyema come sight while go on and kind of stir up the pot and cause the big bang around.
That do to you like what hurt you so much? Like me know say you have feelings and everything. Like what hit you? What hurt you so bad?
Wicked bumbo clap, man. My name Chris Vibes. Chris Vibe send that and Chris Vibe know that go. Jesus Christ, my friend and my people.
All right. Well, Dawg, answer me there. Huh? You're low. You're somewhere we're not hearing you.
What do you Willie come on Dyema phone and Willie boy me up? Willie wicked, Willie say what me ever done for him yet. See how my bad man and me have more things than you. One of my car can buy your house. Come on, that a kill you no. Yes. So come on, that a kill you no. None ex gang over here we support me. Me not have to tell you nothing. So no man. Me have to know success you no. All I want to say nothing now go on for me success you no pussy. Yes. That a no that a mad no me go and shit pan you know. You know tile it. All shit pit you know over here is blood clot yeah. Remember me no frightened for you know. Remember say me have my views by myself you know. So here me I say no blinger. Yeah, remember, me can shit pound in a real life.
And the reason, not listen what them I say, just me ask you something.
Willie is an ungrateful son of a bitch. He's an ungrateful son of a bitch. Willie said, I give him a bed and he don't sleep on it for 6 months. Willie is an ungrateful son of a bitch. Look how me bring Willie around me. Look how me treat Willie like a brother. Look how me do for Willie. And Willie come around and Willie say me never do nothing for him yet. Why Willie would have go up on Dyema phone and say that? Say me never do nothing for him yet. Eh? When Willie walk and this, you know why people diss me? Because Willie walk and beg everybody. Willie walk and beg Team Bless. Willie walk and beg everybody. And bring down everybody. Let me talk. Yes, when Willie want a 3 bills, Willie call Chevy and he discuss Chevy with Meeka. And so when he want Meeka and Chevy corrupt, he call Meeka now and discuss Chevy with Meeka. I saw Willie roll. Willie call everybody around me and tell everybody say me rich and now do nothing for him. That's what exactly he tell Dyema to also. Miss Blingers, I swear upon my dead mother life, I didn't know Willie and his mom was so close until Willie they are jail. Tell me your Dyema upon For You page. Say Willie Dyema, Willie mama love her. Willie portrayed to me as Willie don't have no family. Willie portrayed to me like he's the only one in America. Did you know that Willie have him papers figure deal with him driver's license every day Willie make a money, Willie just fly out galaxy. When me sure Willie right way of living. When me sure Willie right way of living and Willie still turn around and diss me. He get up and they boy me up, he get up and they say all these things on his phone. Willie, me not have to do nothing for you and I won't do nothing for you again. And I wish you come on the road. I wish you come on the road. You know, and I won't do a shit for you again. And Dyema can tell you that. Me won't live $1 gear again. Me a pick me if you take care of me. I pick me on the way. And me not no ratings I show no man again. I show no man loyalty. And my family them me I show royalty and loyalty. Me come around here so me I show you big man every day. Big man. Miss Blingers, me show the man say, yo dog, you know say me a big man. Blingers, you know what start is all him tell people say, Butter just come around me and me give Butter X6 to drive. Listen, you know. Butter is responsible. Me give Willie one BMW, Willie tear you off and come back and tell me, I argue, you want to argue with me. Argue. Say, you know what I do? I take up my money and I give Willie a car. And you come around and Dyema phone and disrespect me. What Dyema do for Willie in a 3 month, add up to 5% what I do for Willie. Me I tell you this in a one. Me I give you everything in a one because people say me all over in a everywhere. Me I tell you honest truth. Me look out for Willie. Me take care of Willie. Willie birthday when Dyema never there. And me did every blood clot Willie. Make Willie feel like a family. Alright.
Willie seemed to me like a cunning person and feel obligated to a real dog have. You understand? Me say this in one of my video them. Because people are saying Willie a real dog bodyguard. You know what I mean? And if him a your bodyguard for true, him obligated to certain things. Because bodyguard work are not easy work. You understand? If you know say him a your bodyguard for real, well him deserve things. You know what I mean? And if him have you as a person that is not responsible, him not go trust you with certain things. And if every time him try to help you or push you in the right direction, you always do a next thing and him say boy is like you want cruff. You know want nothing in a life, you just want sit down and a man mind you. A man now go show no interest in a you. You hear what him say but more responsible than Willie. So that's why he make Butter drive the X6. You understand? And pan a level Butter having papers. And it look like so, Willie don't even have a driver's license, blouse and skirt. What some more?
Again, Miss Blingers, Chevy the way you cuss. And Miss Blingers, me I gotta tell you this. You see, if you respect me like how I respect you more, you stop go at Chevy and Meeka. I mean, I beg you this. I tell you this, more you stop go at them. Come me show you something. The other day, when Dyema say Willie they are jail, Dyema can't help Willie, you know. All they think Dyema can't help Willie with the money, you know. I can talk this plain and straight, you know. All the money. I'm show you something. You see, other day, when time Willie they are jail and we are look somebody for married Willie, Willie baby mother agree because Chevy call and beg. And the girl come up in the box and the girl say, I'm gonna stick by my baby father. You know how Willie call the girl and say, out of prison go suck your mother, or if you make my woman feel away that a Dyema, or if you make Dyema call me and cuss me, or if you make this and that, go suck your mother, girl, or if you go suck your mother, where, or if you do that to people and help you, and then when you turn around on the internet and go like you know and bury me, I look no sympathy for nobody, you know. Come here, my team. I know for nobody I look sympathy from people because you don't have nobody. Me have sympathy for myself and my team have sympathy for me. Me have one of the biggest team on TikTok no matter what no bumbuckler say. So me can come and talk and turn on my life and go wrong. No. How much you can do that?
Dyema wrong for
so you don't have no foundation but a blood clot comment section. You is a shit pit. But Miss Blingers, let me tell you this, Miss Blingers. If people them sometime when you come and bring them for your show and you make people over here sink, don't make them be the one to let your show fall.
But the thing, okay, the thing with Chevy, brother, me not trouble people. Me review what me see on the media. You understand? Me not, I hit them not like and them say me mix up. Me not trouble people. Them say Chevy first started with me. I never trouble Chevy. Me used to say to Meeka say.
I think you go Jamaica go look for man in a blood clot granny dress and push-skirt shoes.
No, I know that me and you different.
No, me say, I'm Miss Starty say.
Your blood clot. A Chevy me I talk about. Listen,
no,
them say a Chevy.
You go Jamaica go look for man in a granny dress and push-skirt shoes. That's where it all coming from. Me say
not feel no way about that. Me not feel no way about that.
Mistake. So you take up your good self, God, Jamaica go look for man in a push-cap shoes, because I never like your slippers for real, Miss Blingers. We can't beat about that.
Like none of them, the dress, not the slippers, but that's why I'm going to store them now.
Where you really take up yourself, God, Jamaica, and the shoes for?
No, but me well down, the shoes not that bad. It's not that bad.
No, I never like your shoes, Miss Blingers. The shoes never look good to call.
Yeah. Everybody on this wicked. And if you see him, if you really blood clot start talk, and then turn around and go turn up on him foot, you know. Cause
every blood clot,
Chris is a liar in a youth. Cause me say, they go pull up on my phone and come back with my blood clot receipt them, you know. Cause you see when Chris is come, Chris ever try to tell her, and
I want to kill up your bum.
Why not shoes here? Why you not like about the shoes?
No, I don't like it. Dyema, you alone that kill up yourself about blood clot people. Dyema, me God after this, I'm going to see.
Why not? Let me ask you what's up now. I'm here to share a while ago.
Dyema.
I'm going to cut you, let me talk now. I never made a share a while ago. Because see, like you can click your live, me have a platform too. So if I made a share, let me know right there so. Because you're feisty, I'm feisty. And you know when I try to avoid the argument with Uno and Willie, you know, I just defend my part, you know. And word I know me not like how when me come in here garage.
My point of view, you push fire with fire.
Let me talk, me no give you a talk. Remember, so me come in the garage, go sit down, you know. I mean, they give you the tour about the girl and the money and Willie and the sister, you know. And the tour we all have and say, bumbuckler, Willie wicked, you know. I answer when this bus out Dyema, then go give you a beating, you know. Remember, see, me tell about the sister argument and then know about it, you know.
Me and Willie's sister chat Willie before you come off for it.
Me not talk about that. The argument about the girl
have a nice night.
The woman. When you tell me say sister, me not talk about really real sister.
Dyema, have a wonderful night. I alone have sent up a blood pressure right now. I'm gonna kiss my baby mother. I rub her belly.
You talk about platform, me wanna have platform. I see you love blood clot shit. Me say if I want give me word, give me know. You like to
talk a long time.
Yo, me don't lie still. You see Dyema rate real dog, you know. You see me I say. And how far them I come from. You know what I mean? Far Dyema and real dog I come from. And Marvin, but real dog and Marvin can't agree. Because him say Marvin try thief him money. You see me? So me don't want to say Dyema and Real Dawg at odds. You understand? But me feel say Real Dawg have off Dyema because of Willie. Because him know how Willie stay and him know say Dyema rate Willie. So anything Willie tell Dyema a law for Dyema. Dyema work with that. You understand me I say? So it look like say before everything Dyema the Depa Miss Bling alive and I chat some things and I kinda bring down Real Dawg. So that's why him come on it upon the live to kind of clear himself. Me not really pick up for Real Dawg because we know same of him ways. Because certain things here Dyema just say him tell Real Dawg about the woman and about Willie telling her say boy the woman and him sister so she send the money to him to the woman. You know what I mean? And Real Dawg go bust it out. Real Dawg is like a whole fridge. You know what I mean? Him can't keep nothing at all. You see, but me don't want to see Dyema and Real Dawg at odds because of this Willie situation. Because Willie is a liar to you too. You know what I mean? But Dyema love him, so go watch some more.
Everybody come over Real Dawg. Real Dawg, I know say everywhere want cuss with you want cuss with it, how we go at it, because we stay the same way. What me want talk say? Because he may ever talk some things right now, and then tell you go kick everybody for around you. I know Willie alone I beat you. Oh. Don't make everybody put off me at right now.
Them can beat me, but God bless me. That's
right.
it.
So I know Willie alone. So I know Willie alone. Chris Vibes go stay in the hospital and blood clot right now. Chris Vibes wicked.
You know Chris Vibes, yeah. Me know Chris Vibes.
I got 4 right now. That's why I'm going
to know Chris Vibes chat me and me say it last week. Because me say it on the camera.
I want to bring down Chris Vibes, you know. Chris Vibes try to style me a bills, you know. I mean, if you customer a Real Dawg, turn on customer as you can style Dyema. And Dyema jam money every day. Watch Chris Vibes and hospital and shade paper. Chris Vibes thief and blood clot people not tell lie. And Chris Vibes know say, and the money where Real Dawg blood clot give him on the paper and he send back the uncle. Wicked boy, the $500 for me. You see all him go down in the hospital right now and turn over teeth, king, and wicked that.
Yeah, no, it's
Dyema, have a wonderful night. Don't send up your blood pressure for man when you know 3 months.
I send up me done already if you set up and then I did long blood clot time. I still straight for the argument. You see me cast. I know me not here.
Dyema, you want me for this year, me now go this year.
Where Dawg you go this, my word Dawg will never put in cocky behind me as like a 50 years, sir.
You want me you have things and that you on for how long?
You don't want me to have no word Dawg. Me want me to have no word Dawg me cuss already. Me don't want me to have nothing.
You're feeding for it. And you can't get me draw me out, Dyema.
Oh, me feel like you and Dyema if you go down Emmanuel Road. Let me tell you. You say me a trouble Chevy. Me want clear up that. Me not in trouble Chevy. A Chevy first start trouble me. Me used to trouble Meeka when them used to come and say Meeka work overtime for you. Meeka come from my life and say, me fi stop it because I lie, I'm yada yada yada. I'm stop it, I'm dead it, I'm done it a long time. Chevy now, put up one something on one profile and say the same some badge you say pan it. So me I say one to the girl here, if these people have a problem with me, then just tell me and I'll just leave shit alone. You understand? You know I'm keeping show. So that's all me start to say. Chevy and Meeka the problem in an ex-gang. And even Willie talk it for one voice note for me, that one voice recording on me here. Because them a carry pain news to you. So me I said, well dog, you have to understand say woman make man dead all the time. Stop make the girl them a carry news to you, brother. Because you're going like you're idiot, like you don't know what going around you. So me I tell the people them say, I know today you do this, and years you blood clot do this. So you're worse than a hypocrite. You know everything I say, everybody for who them really is. So them
I call her earlier on Instagram for me to sit down and chat to somebody.
Me not stop it, tired of blood clot. Me not chat to people with you for stop
well,
it.
No. Me I go call her a little more, me I sit down and chat, because you're hiding from the people them. But
I am not hiding anything. Listen to me.
Listen to me. And listen what me I say good. Why every minute you come for ex-gang? Because we are the biggest thing on the app. Why you don't try for some little content creator and give them a profile and give them a chance to become somebody? Why you guys always draw for ex-gang?
All right, let me answer that.
Let me show you something. Let me show you. You know. Yo,
I'm not drawn for ex-gang. You always let it know.
Dyema, you know, Dyema, can you feel like Shut your mouth louder than blood.
Tapping eyes don't be bling and me here.
Let me tell you something, Dyema.
Yeah.
Dyema, me can cuss out your blood clot.
I word that me can't cuss out that your blood clot.
Me know.
Secret for me. I mean, I
How you
don't
can't cuss me?
Cuss.
And I will cuss back your blood clot,
I
Dyema.
cuss back for your blood clot to come.
Yes, Dyema, I will cuss you. I will cuss you to scan all when me
I
know
will
about
cuss
you.
you back to scan to
One.
Sir, what your name? Sir,
Listen to me.
Dawg.
Blingers, you know why you can't give me a braveness for cuss, Dyema?
Yeah.
Our girl will support me. Let me say this. Anyway, Dyema there, I could have even massacre did it. She going to make me feel like I am the biggest thing. And she going to go in a crowd, and she going to shout, and she going to jump.
Somebody send me video about me play. She do it when you're on stage.
And she going to hold my shirt, and she going to make me feel like my biggest thing there. She always support me in every show me go once she did it. So it can't give me the encouragement to dip in a blood clot that in my cookie jar. Because she ain't willing and I see that, you know. But me now go there, so me just respect her. Where me just make she know, say, Dyema, stop make Willie lead you to straight, please. It can't, there is, and Meeka said this to me one day over the Airbnb where all we did it. Why you don't want this, Dyema? Me said to Meeka, I said, Dyema.
You see?
Well, Meeka want you for this, Dyema.
Hold on, I'm gonna say it. You know, give me a...
Hey. Sometimes we're like, if you tap chat still, you know, I hear him boss Meeka thing. Jad, or if you tap chat more while, because them been say Meeka, no, although as me say, I know overweight because Meeka and Dyema kick off long time before Willie. That's why I say them never did a friend long time before Dyema start talk to Willie. You know what I mean? So, and over Willie. You know what I mean? And Meeka is a person where from his spirit not take you. Remember me tell you can't come around the boss like that.
Alright. We go to everybody. And I go to Dyema with respect and she asks me why. You always jump to conclusion. Always. I'm going to say, you know why? I have respect for Dyema. She always show me respect. And that's it. Meeka said to me, said, the first time she ever see Dyema was at Bad Mixture she had the other day. So why she and Dyema supposed to go at it? This happened over a shooting because this is how I talk to. You don't feel like me not talk to ex-gang. Miracle hands. You know see a badge level Miracle hands? You have to put on your bum buckle.
Let me blood clot here just sir. Cause I know
you just have to move a little bit bum buckle and go. You think you can this me for people, Dyema?
Somebody man answer in the comment section.
Yeah, sure.
I know you hear this. And somebody my answer. The woman love your top chat, man, and you woman at this. And somebody woman answer.
Okay. What? You're lucky to in a Dyema. As me there say. Me talk to my team. Me talk to my team. My team not have nothing against Dyema. Nothing against Dyema.
Dyema a good girl.
We love Dyema. Dyema support me. So me not have nothing bad to say about Dyema. She's just a big yammed for Willie. And she's just gonna find out herself. And me can tell her that.
Willie alone me yam for. Me walk I yam for everybody. Somebody have to be me a yammed long time. You know that too. I problem.
Well, Dawg, let me ask you one question.
Yeah.
If Dyema and me did not fuck you, and God forbid you get in a problem and go to prison, you not expect say we would have do what to do for try to help you? You call that yammed?
Miss Blingers,
Where Dawg along you want tell me say me a yammed, you know, but what you know what you know? You sound about superhero. Along you want tell me say I am yammed, but you don't want to look bad one day.
Why? I'm tired. Why?
There's nobody in this world can get me vexed for 24 hours, just make me feel down. I am a jovial youth, and I'm just going to talk my mind and just leave from that. I'm just that, the type of person.
I'm Blinger, me I beg to rest that case, like I come like in and down. That's why I jump in the back since night.
Who the person here?
Hero. Let me just something real quick and fast, cause me never was saying like you said, just leave it alone, whatever. No. You said something a while ago, and everybody literally start bring me down again. And I say, I may push problem because I ask you, what is it that's like, no, what's the, like, what is it like with Dyema? Because I noticed that you deal with Dyema differently from you deal with a lot of people. People say, me a push, you fit, like, I was never pushing Era to this Dyema. I simply ask him, like, I noticed that you deal with Dyema different. What is it? And he literally just say and explain himself. Me not ask Era for this. I cannot control.
Come on, me ask you something, Meeka, 1 minute there. Where the when time me, all the time I cuss you when I shoot for cuss you. That time me that cuss you, you know. When I talk to you about the airport on life, did I cuss you?
Yes, Dyema. Yes, yes. Hold on, don't rush me. May I answer your question. First of all, Dyema, I want to say I never had a problem with you. Like literally ever.
Stop speak now, just go in your voice
no.
and
Let me finish. Let me talk. Dyema, you might think something I get a rat. I wasn't raised like that, okay? I don't know why you think that, but I know some mistake.
All right.
Intelligent, Meeka, I'm here with you, baby. Intelligent.
Dyema, let me explain something to you. And I said this to you even when we just start talking, when you and Willie just start talk. I have never had a problem with you. I don't know you literally from nowhere. The only thing I know about Dyema is Dyema, I need the vagina. That's all I know about Dyema. You understand? And from the song, that's all I know about Dyema. When we first met and we initially had the first problem, when we run the joke on the live, you remember the pussy joke or the sucky joke we run on the live, and you said to me, you get upset about it. Me and Willie spoke about it. You didn't know this. Me and Willie talk about this. And all Willie said to me, Dyema don't like certain joke, and I left it at that. Even though you reacted differently, and you did come disrespect me on the live, I left it alone. Willie said Dyema don't run certain type of joke, and we left it at that. Me still never have no problem with you. When the hair argument happened the other day, and you said to me, say, I look for hair and whatever. I said to you, say, I have a supporter that sells hair. Me will link her. If she willing to talk to you, I did link her. She just never get back to me. When me add you back to the live, you come and you chip out for me, Dyema. Talk the truth.
No, you never add me. On the live, you come back me.
Correct. Me added Onella and your Onella was together. And you chip out for me about the ear and I say you have your money you spend, blah, blah, blah. I didn't respond and say a word to you if you're willing to say.
Let me ask you one question. No, did I disrespect you more than me say? Meeka, all me ask about you know me talk loud because I get a rat. I get a rat, puss, dog and cat. So me say Meeka because you know me talk aggressive already. Me say Meeka, one to the ear, one to the ear.
Meeka independent more than enough of blood clot on the live. Go and back up
read the comment section when we talk about.
Yo, pan a level people, me not gonna lie. You see Meeka no let in anybody in the ex gang. You see me, I say if Meeka don't like you, you don't have a chance. You see me? And Meeka spirit have to take you. You understand? And Meeka the leading woman in the ex gang. You see me, I say, and Meeka sometimes she have her ways. You see me? So me feel like say Meeka never did want Willie to deal with Dyema because Meeka and Dyema past issues. That are just my opinion. Yes, what I say. But Dyema is a person like this way. You know what I mean? It look like say if she rate a man, she will walk through fire for him. So it no matter with Meeka, you know what I mean, Meeka not like him. She still a go. You know what I mean? Hard for Willie or she still a go, you know what I mean, push her way in at the ex gang because of Willie. You see me? So I could watch a little piece more than me I go in it.
Hey, Dyema, Willie blood clot.
Yeah, read the blood clot comment section every minute. Why you read the comment section?
Meeka.
I'm say to you, Meeka. Mr. Meeka, I want to make a woman no call back for your wife and I beg you. Mr. Meeka is alright, don't worry yourself. Me go buy something different place and me move on the camera. I never face it at the time there. But right, the time when I cost, the time when I step on the nuggets, me did cost that time there for sure.
Yeah, but let's take our time before we get to the nuggets, right? The hear some argument and you come at me.
Can I ask you a question?
Ask me anything you want.
But that was came at me. Me I talk the way you come at me. Me never argue with her or none. I left it.
So me talk like a argue. You know that already.
And that's okay at Dyema. Me never argue with you about it. We left it where it was.
Meeka,
but we name cost, not the one the name cost. I don't me I try to tell you we name cost.
Meeka, hold on, Meeka. Miss Blingers, in everybody live.
Yeah.
Blingers, you on TikTok boss there for real?
His name is not TikTok boss.
TikTok police.
Yes.
Well, a couple months I was reading your bio, a lady of God and a wife. And the last time you diss me, you hold up a dog. And you say, dog got roof, if me know you. So I'm asking if you know in a relationship with that guy.
Yeah.
So oh, you never come and chat your own business, but you're not everybody's business.
Because you don't watch me, I talk about it. So
I want
what is
to
your
give
point?
you an interview tomorrow at 8 o'clock.
No problem. You don't. Everybody know this. Me tell everybody. So you're late.
I want to give you an interview tomorrow at 8 o'clock.
Alright, some people I guess wanna hear everything we wanna need for hear. That's why I say farm no own opinion, or right or wrong. You see me? I just don't want to see Dyema Roll Dawg kick off. And Roll Dawg been around Willie for the longest while. So him know who Willie is. That no means that Willie can't change and Dyema can't change him. You see me? But him start off a try style Dyema in a way. But love can develop, you know what I mean? And him can change for Dyema. Even him circumstances where him in you know and him see Dyema did a film right through, that can even change him. You understand? So alright, just so me I go end it, my people. Wanna tell me what you think in the comment section.